Hi, boys and girls. For our lesson, we're looking at this domino right here. And the first thing we have to do is figure out what three numbers go with this domino. Well, we can see that this part of the domino has 4 dots. So I'm going to say that one of the numbers is 4. Right? We agree? Yeah. If this part of the domino is 4, then the other part of the domino can be our second number. What number is that? Yeah, you're right, 6. And then the third part of the domino is the total amount. That's our third number, the total amount of dots on this domino. I know my tens facts, so I know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So the total is 10. So the three numbers that go with this domino are this part which has 4, then this part that has 6, and then the total amount on the domino, which is 10. That's how I get my three numbers that have to do with this domino. You with me so far? Awesome. Okay. Now that we have our three numbers that go with the domino, 4, 6, and 10, let's try to think of some number sentences that would use all three of those numbers. The first one I could think of is that I would know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, right? This part plus this part equals the total. And we know that one because, well, we know our tens facts. And we also know what our turnaround rule is, or the associative property of addition, that we can switch around those two add-ins, right? So if we know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, then we know that 6 plus 4 equals 10, right? Okay, so we've got 4 plus 6 equals 10 and 6 plus 4 equals 10. Those are two number sentences that we know using the numbers 4, 6, and 10. But guess what? We know two more because those two have to do with addition. The next two we're going to talk about have to do with, subtraction. So when we subtract, we always have to start with the biggest number first. So let's look at our numbers, 4, 6, and 10. Which one is the biggest? We always have to start with the biggest number. 10 is the biggest number, right? 10 minus, which one should we do first? We have 10 as the total, and we're going to take away, let's say minus 4. Let's get rid of the 4, okay? 10 minus 4 is the same as, what's our last number? 6. And let's see, is that true? If I have 10 and I take away this part of the domino completely, and maybe I do something like this. I'm going to just insert, I'm going to get rid of it. So I'm going to cover it up. Maybe I'll get rid of it. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So I have 10 total. I get rid of 4, and I'm left with 6. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, so let's try, what would our last number sentence be? We have to start with the biggest number, so we know it's 10. We took away 4 last time. What should we take away this time? You got it. We're going to take away the 6. Great job staying with me. 10 minus 6 is the same as, what do we have left? Oh, 4. So our 4 number sentences, let's get rid of that little guy, for the numbers 4, 6, and 10 are 4 plus 6 equals 10, 6 plus 4 equals 10, 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 10 minus 6 equals 4. Great work, everyone. We're going to try it again on the next slide with a different domino.